Hey guys, today we're going to be doing
a DIY slime challenge with Elmer's glue
and Tide,
along with our handy dandy plastic utensils.
Okay, so first things first, we're going to pour a little bit of the Elmer's glue into each of our small containers, like so.
Show the camera.
Okay. Pour some Tide in.
Then you want to pour some Tide.
Not too much.
Not too much though. That's good.
Wait.
And pour. There we go. And a little bit of more Tide. There we go.
Okay, so now we each just mix our slimes with the Tide/activator until it looks like a weird slimy substance, like so. You want to keep mixing until you get better, until you get more of us.
What? Hey, you bully.
Oh my god, guys, welcome to the channel.
What? It's stuck. It's literally stuck to the bottom. Oh, you missed.
This is the first slime video. Time doing slime, so forgive him if he's
We
lying.
need like a plastic fork. Jesus. No, not more glue. Less.
I can't take away the glue that's already there.
God dang it, it's stuck.
No, Evan.
Scrape it off.
Mix it into a
Scrape
circle.
it off.
Mix it into a circle, dude.
Okay. Boom, boom. My hands are so dirty.
Okay, you know what? This is, and then you want to pick it up with your hands and start kneading it, right, Evan?
Right? I'm guessing so. I have to mix it all in.
It's not.
Whoa. Yeah. Well, misfire.
Go ahead, take it out and start mixing it, Evan.
Oh no. Oh no. No.
Pick it up.
Oh. Oh.
Pick it up with your hands, Evan, and start kneading it.
I need some more glue, please.
Just ignore it. Okay. Evan. No, Evan.
More glue, please. Yes, there we go. Okay. Got some more glue.
This boy.
This is not going well. My hands are dead.
Evan, this is
We're gonna
how
have
it
to
goes.
clean this all up.
Yeah, no. But, hey, enjoy the video while it lasts. Am I right, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, then.
How much did you put in there?
So much. Like, Evan, I drowned it.
Oh, crap. Dang
You
it.
have to knead it with your hands, buddy.
But it's stuck.
Knead
Oh,
it. Here, pick it up.
that's too...
Pick it up and knead it with your hands. I put too much. I put too
It's disgusting.
much. Show the camera, buddy.
My hands are
Evan,
dead.
not your hands. The slime. Don't squeeze it. Do you know how to knead slime?
At least it's making good noises, but it's... I don't know what I'm missing. I'm missing too little something.
Okay, so Evan, you're
Using
supposed.
this knife, I'm spreading this around myself.
Evan, do it like this. You want to keep kneading it until you find it like.
I'm gonna get more Tide in there. There we go. How in the world? Yeah, I'm doing it good. Yes. Okay, here we go. It's too white for me. Actually, never mind.
No, Evan, it's supposed to get more. Like.
Yes.
Well, this color.
Flatten
So
it
I've
out.
been kneading mine for a while now, and it's gotten pretty
God,
good.
it's not smooth enough. So,
Evan, look, this is how to
it's
mine
like...
it. I'm still kneading it. Here, can you try kneading mine? Try kneading mine.
Okay, I need yours. Ha! Look at how good mine is now. Look at how good I am. Because
Evan, what do you do with this?
you had way more glue or something.
This is chunky. I told you to add more glue and you didn't listen to me. That's what happens. Okay, here, let me show you how it's done.
You're doing it in your hands? That's pretty spicy. You know what else is spicy?
Me.
I just said that, but okay.
What else is spicy, Evan?
A ghost pepper challenge, which we will not be doing in the future.
That actually hurt my friend really bad, so nope. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, you have no friends.
I have like 30 more than you.
Luke ate a ghost pepper and he didn't even care.
Okay, this is just not working out. All right, just.
God, I just ruined yours.
What did you do?
How do you need it?
Okay, buddy.
Is that a Tide thing? I think this could use.
No. Stop. I actually like my slime. Okay. Okay, no, keep it in there. Keep it in there. This is so
Hey, at
messy.
least my hands are smooth. My
Okay.
hands are more smooth
Need it in.
than this.
Are you making a movie show?
Yes. Don't. Need.
We're gonna show you later.
Love it. Okay, I want.
We'll show you later.
We can only show you the finished product.
We can only show you the finished product.
Yep. Sorry, Nini.
That's right.
You're gonna have to watch our movie.
Interrupting it.
It's fine. Just okay. So just dump it in the Tide. You ruined mine, Evan.
Hey, don't pull me, sis.
This is not going out very well. It's just... So, guys, I want to tell
So
you.
our grandma just came in. Sorry about that.
I want to show you a little bit different. So my
Mine is so beautiful.
slime. I had done this beforehand, and
I haven't.
this is what it turned out to be. So I promise you, it was
I'm gonna
good.
put some more Tide in this.
That's not how you do it.
Boom.
Anyways, let me show you our finished product.
Yeah. That's mine. Pretty amazing.
Yep. Okay. We will definitely be trying to make another one in the future if we can. So,
If I squeeze it, it comes apart.
Bye-bye.
Isn't that amazing?
how are we gonna end this video again?
Squeeze it and it comes
How are
apart.
we gonna end this video?
We shall end the video
With
and
our
say,
nose.
like and subscribe.
I can't read.
Like and subscribe.
Oh my god.
What do? You just reversed the
Oh
camera.
god!
You reverse the camera.
I'm trying to turn it off.
How do you reverse the camera?
I'm opening it off.